In this video, I'm just going to teach you how you can easily change the background on poses and outfits on Snapchat. So let's get started without wasting any time. And first of all, open up your Snapchat and then just click on your profile, and then on the top just click over there to change your outfits. And here you see the multiple choices. You can select anyone which you like, and here you can scroll down and get multiple choices. There are the shirts, jeans, and all of the stuff about outfits. So when you select your favorite one and then just click on save, and then just click on this photo icon to change your poses and backgrounds. So there are multiple background. You can select any of the background, and there are poses according to your costume, and there are several poses, and you can select anyone which you like. So when you select your favorite one pose, so just click on save. So this is how you can easily change all this kind of stuff. And if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel, and have any question about the tutorial, just leave me a comment below.